Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna take you guys house shopping. It's been a while since I recorded this video and I'm excited to show you guys all the houses that we saw. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know in the comments down below which one is your favorite.
A 6-bedroom, 4-bath, 4,249 square feet, 6,920 square foot lot. It's built in 2014.
Wow, this is really nice. And it has its own door.
It has its own front door there. So if you guys wanted to start your own business, whatever, you know. And then it has the bathroom.
This would be for Rosa. Oh, it's kind of dark in here. To me? He said he's gonna rent it to me.
There you go. Oh, to you.
Yeah. Alright, let's go this way. I wanna go this way. This way. Oh look, over here there's another room, I think. This is the kitchen. And then the pantry. Let's see the pantry.
Oh, it's not welcome, but
It's still good, yeah.
Yeah.
So good.
Really adds some good texture.
Yeah. This house felt like it never ended. It was so cool, super huge, and also the price, I believe it was $550,000. Wow, this is pretty nice. I love the lights. I'm sorry, the windows. A lot of natural light. That is really pretty. Alright you guys, so let me tell you what I think about this house. First of all, 4,000 square feet for the price. I believe it was $550,000 for California. That is major sale. It's a great price. And one of the things I didn't like about this house was the backyard. I feel like it was too small, but the house itself was gorgeous. I love that it had a little house on the side where I can have Rosa live. Okay, so now let me show you house number 2. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think about house number 1? I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Here we are at house number 2. Let's go check it out. So let me tell you what I thought of house number 2. I feel like it needed a lot of updates. For example, the kitchen, the bathrooms, the color of the walls were not of my taste. The backyard was a good size, but it needed new fences. The one thing that I did like about this place was the location. The schools are good, I'm assuming, huh? The price for this house was $535,000. Up next, we have house number 3 of the day. And we ran into a little problem with this house. We didn't realize until we got there that it didn't have a bedroom downstairs. So for that reason, we didn't even bother to look at the second floor. It was just not going to work out because we need a bedroom downstairs for Rosa. But the house was gorgeous. My favorite part from this house was the backyard. You guys will just see it right now. So pretty, spacious, and it was in a great area. What do you think about the backyard? Let me know in the comments down below. And also, it was RV accessible. And I believe the price for this one was around $528,000. Up next, we have a new build, and this is house number 4. You guys will see why I fell in love with this house the moment I saw it. All right, let's see what you guys think. Oh, same here. Wow, this is gorgeous.
It's very open. So this is that big open great room. There's the bedroom on the bottom.
Oh my
one of those huge ones. Look at the
God.
closet, guys.
Athena, come here.
Look, Athena, look at the closet. Oh, Daddy's hiding. Say, hide and go seek. Ready or not, here I come.
Where's Daddy?
You're here, Leo.
Go.
Here, Leo. We put their play cushion in there. That's so cool that they have the playroom.
This house was my favorite. My favorite house. 3,000 square feet. I believe the lots were about 7,000. Come here. I love this house. This is beautiful.
Wait, they're not food.
No food.
What? Yeah, on. Mom,
To double check, Leslie, on how much the one that she has available is.
This house stole my heart. I love the island. I love the little area, like the breakfast nook, and also the formal dining room. That was just perfect. I love this house. And then upstairs we had the loft, which I was gonna turn it into my makeup room. It was a little small compared to what I have, but it was gorgeous. And here we have the master bedroom, which again, this house, I cannot complain about this house. This house was just beyond gorgeous. The closet was perfect for me because you guys know I have a lot of things. In the bathroom, just everything. I love this house. Oh, this is beautiful. Really pretty. It has a walk-in closet. It's super pretty.
Oh, this is my favorite laundry room.
Oh yeah, and over here we have the laundry room. Alright, you guys, let me know in the comments down below what do you think about the house that I showed you. Which one was your favorite? This is a Lennar home. Lennar makes, or builds, I'm sorry, the most gorgeous houses I have ever seen. I have to do a story time on this house because there is a lot that went down for this particular home, and I'll talk about it more on a video. I hope you guys enjoyed episode 3 of my house hunting. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and also stay tuned for more episodes to come. I will see you on my next one.